Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's correct. Welcome to Animation Capstone. We are currently in week 7. That's correct. So a little bit over halfway through the course. Should get pretty close to done here shortly, and then just move on. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's talk about this and pretty much focus on how to end on a high note. That's really the big aspect about that. So let's get into it. Let's get started and go from there, because last week we finished the first 30 seconds. So this week we're going to actually getting to the last 15 seconds and how that kind of applies with everything and how everything works with that. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's talk about it. Let's go from there. So what we have this week, we're going to talk about how to end using what you have, how to frame the end and the end card. We're also going to showing that wow factor, something new that nobody's really ever seen. And really just discuss an intro into the last 15 seconds. That's what we're going to be talking about this week and how it ties in. And really the big thing is with this week, you want to hit them with like one big major bang. A lot of times you want to save this something that is one of your show-stopping pieces and show a flashy and cool technique that's not really tied to the rest of the video. However, it's got to be a new piece, so don't repeat your work as your last piece. Not only that, we'll talk about callbacks a little bit more and how they kind of apply with everything. A little bit more on that in lecture, but real big thing is give credit to the work you didn't do in the group projects. That's the big aspect. But more than likely, show them one thing they haven't seen before that's probably one of your best pieces, but shows like a brand new technique. That's really the big aspect about that. And pretty much the last 15 seconds of the demo reel are especially important as almost the first 30 seconds, because the last few clips are really going to solidify your skills as a potential employee to whoever's really like bringing it together. That's really the big aspect about that. The beginning of your reel, the title card, will draw in your audience and give them a strong understanding of what you're capable of and really keep them watching. That's why the last 15 seconds should remind you why they continue to watch your work. That's really the big aspect about that. Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. Keep in mind, lectures on Tuesday. You have a discussion this week, initial post due on Tuesday as well. That's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy, take it easy. Hope everybody has a great week. And yeah, that's all I got. So, all right, everybody. See you later. Take it easy. Bye-bye.